Hi, my name is Dr. Jesse Smith and I'm a chiropractor at Spine Chiropractic in Chico, California. We are in back to school season, and so we're seeing college freshmen and younger age kids going back to school. And the other day, crossing the street, there was this young freshman, and I wanted to roll the window down and just yell like, "Hey, fix your backpack, this is killing your neck and your low back and stuff." So I thought this might be a slightly more productive way of engaging with people, so we decided to make a video. Number one thing that we want to think about with our backpacks is the weight of it. Obviously, we have like young kids and people who are not like super muscular carrying around very heavy backpacks. We all know what's happening, so we can take care of this. It's slow hanging fruit. You don't want to have a backpack weighing about more than 10% of the person's body weight. So if you weigh 160 pounds, you want a 16-pound backpack or less. Furthermore, we wear them. A lot of us will just leave the straps there because it's a lot easier to get on. You can see that the bottom of the backpack is hanging out below my backside, and that to now carry this, I need to sort of create an anchor into my neck and shoulders, which is generally like here, but it exacerbates and increases as we go out throughout the day, until we're really hanging out here, creating an anchor in here with an anterior head carriage. This is not ergonomically, this isn't safe, this isn't good for us. So the thing we want to be thinking about is you want to take your backpack, cinch that up so that the bottom of the backpack is resting on the small of the low back there, and the shoulders are relaxed. We want to take a second when we get the backpack on to be like, am I anchoring in through here, or am I letting the backpack actually do some of the work for me? Pull the shoulders back, take a breath, and relax into that. Then this is where we want to create that anchor. We want to engage the glutes and the lower abdominal muscles to, as we exhale, we squeeze and engage. This now I can feel is what's carrying the backpack and doing the majority of that work. So my shoulders now are nice and relaxed. My head is in a neutral position, hopefully where my ear and my shoulder are lining up, so I'm nice and straight. This is safe and a good position for my neck, and it allows my core to do most of the work. I'm actually getting stronger and performing better now than if I'm doing that. So 10% or less, high up on the waist, good position. That's it.